bar is created to fulfill its reimagination of a typical facial shop experience by envisioning an intimate, dreamy space. We have created consistency for the second outlet as the first outlet by setting the tone that evokes emotion and establishes their branding. Similar to the first outlet's concept, our creative designer uses pink curtains to match with the client's branding identity, as well as to giving it a soft touch to its surroundings. The importance of color matching and material matching for branding is essential for visual identity.